3D printing is a revolutionary technology that's really changing the world, application by application. You might have come across 3D printing about 5 years ago, but you found that, well, it could only really produce simple plastic trinkets. But in the background, there's been a huge amount of technical development going on in things like aerospace and motorsport. GE's incorporating 3D printed parts into engines, combining 20 individual components into a single piece. If you get the need for a hip implant or a knee implant, we can scan the other side of your body and then using that model, print out a replacement implant, which is going to be produced much quicker and much lower cost and personalized to your own body. If you're thinking of making your own product startup, 3D printing can simplify the process, make it easier to prototype and improve it for production-ready manufacturing. Traditional manufacturing only becomes cost-effective at economies of scale. If you're using 3D printing, then the first item costs as much as the millionth. There are sustainability benefits of 3D printing as well. When you're starting off with nothing and only selectively combining the material that you want, you're creating much less waste. One of the most exciting opportunities in 3D printing is we'll be able to replicate and reproduce organs for individual people. Just imagine what is possible. I'm Simon Ford, and this is Inside Innovation.